Hey, what's up, Filecoin? This time the Filecoin price is 55.5 USD dollar. It's mean to the price is very badly fails down, and exactly, my friend, what's the reason I will tell you in this video. But kindly, my brother, before I get started this video, please request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Alright, my friends, come to the point. The last 1 hour change occur, you can see here minus 1.72% fails down, and if we check out, my friends, just in only the last 24-hour chart to what they do, especially in the new month, so you understand better now. My brother, this time you can see here minus 3.79% fails down. It's mean to the price is very badly fails down, and if you can see, my brother, this time the price is come to 59.2 USD dollars. So it's mean that the price is increased, especially in this time. But kindly holder, don't do any mistake. I hope, my brother, the price will be increasing if you do anything, my friend. So this time the Filecoin price and absolutely the prediction is very important, especially. So let's predict this coin, my brother. My prediction is completely simply, I hope at the end of month they will move upward. And if you want to participate, so just in only, my brother, in giveaway, so just in only you need to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, Filecoin holder. I hope you like this video. Please, if you have liked this video, so then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, my brother, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.